Hello everyone. Well, tonight I will be making my fruit basket for the new year. So join me. Um, Filipino tradition. You need to have your fruit basket, right? Wherever you are. So, but I am just making it what I have here. I bought some fruits today, and I think I have to make like 12 plus 1 for even 12 plus 1, so 13 fruits. Let's start it, and let's see what it will look like. So I have here one pomelo, one of my favorite fruit. I don't know. Let's put that in the middle maybe. I have a melon. Put that away. Melon. And I have pomegranate, granada in the fruiting. Here I have apple. Apple. One more granada. I'll put maybe a couple of this. And I have here, I bought some lychee. I'll put some lychee here too, but I need to put the bigger ones first. I have avocado. Two avocados. Maybe I'll put avocados there. Well, oranges. Oranges. I'm not really good in decoration, but I'll try my best. And I have few. What is this? I think this is a peaches. Yeah, peaches. So I put some peach here. I have nectarines. Nectarines are like peach as well. Reddish and there. Plus, look at the grape. They already eaten. I have this is persimmon, so I'll put one persimmon here. And I have like small berries. They call it red currant. So this is round as well. I'll put in my small container here. It's nice, and it's like it's like Big Nine in the Philippines, but Big Nine is more violet. I'll put this in here. I'll put it all, and I'll just place it somewhere here. I don't know, maybe there. Or maybe just put down a little bit. And I have blackberries. Oh no, it's blueberry, sorry. It's blueberry. Blueberries here. So I'll put in this container as well. And have some lychee. So I'll put lychee. Yeah, I'll put it all. Maybe I can put I like this one. Okay. Yeah. It's lychee. I have here some plums. Oh, some plums. favorites. I have strawberries, so I'll put some strawberries in my container as well. That is good. Then I have guava. Guava, it's kind of round too, right? So put guava there. Put all of this around me. Around here. I think there's more than 12. So I can put it there as well. I have an extra here, which I'm going to eat. There. What else I have? I think I have one more person in here. Put it all there. I'll just put everything there. Oh, I have a apricot as well. So I have 2 apricots. I'll put it there. And I think that's all I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More than 12. It is more than 12, but it's okay. It is just a tradition, so I'm going to have it for the new year. Make sure that you know. I have some sticks here. So, yeah, this is my fruit, and I'm going to my neighbor later for the new year. I'm not going to bring that, I'm going to bring another basket. And I think there you go. You have a candle, there you go. That's it. Easy. Filipino fruit basket for the new year. Thank you for watching. Well, yeah. Well, everyone, thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best for the new year. I'm so thankful to the Lord that, you know, He gave me this whole 2020 safe and, you know, still blessed. I hope and pray that everyone will, you know, will be safe this coming year 2021, and healthy. All my family, friends, and everyone. Be safe, and thank you for watching. So there you go. This is my finished product. It's quick, easy. Good as that. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I think I did a great job, right? I'm not good in designing or creating things, but I tried my best, and that's what it is. That's my creation.
We have that. We have a little bit of, it's like lasagna. I don't know what this is called. We have biko cake and this one. And of course my Filipino fruit. And I bake it's like brownies, but it's like with a fudge inside. And yep, that's our Christmas tree. That's my friend eating so good there. That's Chef Pablo. And Muhammad is there. Hello. Hazel is there. She's still working. Yep. And that's our friend. No, no, no. Our new toy. Oh, that's Mulan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a very nice movie. And that's our Christmas tree. I'm going. But Mama, so this is our patio here with our lights, and we are in the 13th floor there. Guys, see that? Christmas lights. I love this garden there.